One of the most simple file sharing method is Nearby Share. I mean, the steps you need to follow is very less as compared to other platforms. And the most important thing, you don't need to download any separate app for it. It is present in almost all the Android phones right now, and you'll find it right in the notification panel. If it's not available, then you can look into your settings. Now on the receiver phone, just turn it on, and now just select everyone and you are good to go. Now while sharing, for example, I want to share this one file. Now just select those files and click on share option. And now here choose Nearby Share. It is also called as quick share now. Now here select the device to whom you are sharing and accept the request on the receiver's phone, and you are done. And there you go. That's how you can use Nearby Share on your smartphone, and it is one of the fastest sharing platform without downloading any additional apps. I hope this was helpful for you. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.